2024 Ford F-150 Lightning. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.